Love this purchase so far. I'm happy that and glad that I got this size, this color, this version, this model. It matches somehow with this mat from IKEA. I feel it matches overall with my master bedroom design, and of course this table, guys. Next up is this table, guys, my favorite working desk, and it is adjustable, the height. I will show you guys shortly how I'm able to adjust the height. And this style of table, it is so popular these days. I was spending time doing the survey and see which brand. I think there are a few brands are having this style of table, adjustable height. So in the end, I decided to go for this brand, Omnidesk. Mainly because, guys, this brand, it actually offers not free installation, but you just pay, I think I forgot, I think it's about you just need to pay for the installation, and there will be guys sent over to help me to install this desk when they ship over this. So I find it very convenient because this desk is very heavy, guys. So it's not easy for me to install this desk, so I find it hassle-free when this brand actually offer this installation service. We just need to pay a little bit for the service and they will come and install this for us. Whereas for other brands, somehow they do not offer installation service. Only selected areas or location they are offering this installation service. So that's why in the end I decided to just go for Omnidesk, because installation service is there, guys. And the best feature of this table obviously is this adjustable height function over here. I will show you guys the level, how far it can go up and down, how far it can reach up. I'm showing you guys the highest level it can go, guys. Oh, that's the highest level, guys. Obviously, I think it is too high for me, but obviously there are many people who is like way taller than me. I feel so pathetic standing next to this table, guys, when it is of this highest. And go down to the lowest level. You can also go all the way down to the lowest level. Let's see how low it can go. Okay, in case we decided that one day we want to just sit on a stool, a comfortable stool, and adjust this to the lowest. This is the lowest. So that's why even kids can go for this table, because it's adjustable height. So, and there is a 4 memory set here. You can set your preferred height, 4 preferred height that you could set. So how do we set this? We just need to, let's say this is the first preferred level. I just need to press this and set 1. Okay, so I'm setting the 1 for this height. So now I go up. So say this is the second preferred level. So I just need to press here and put second. Say go higher a little bit. Say this is the third preferred level. I just need to press this button, press 3. See? And the fourth preferred level. And then press this button and press 4. So I have the 4 different type of preferred level being set. So let's try to go for one that I just set just now. Okay, did I set for 2? So, and 3. So this is how this is being set. 4 different buttons for us to set our preferred height. So this is very useful because we are always working from home, guys. So sometimes we would prefer to sit down. Sometimes we would prefer to just stand and work. So it's also good for us, for our health also. Instead of sitting down most of the time, we now have the option to really stand and work. It's really so cool, this feature, guys. I feel so cool when I'm standing here and working. But to be frank, guys, I have been using this table for probably 1 month plus, and I think I only use this higher level for maybe 2 times or twice. Most of the time I have also been sitting down, guys, just to be frank. But I still like this feature because the purpose of getting this table is, of course, I want to adjust the height to higher so that I get the option to sit down or stand when I work. So I feel I'm still adjusting to it, and I would prefer to stand to work because I think most of the people feel that standing and working, it will be more efficient than sitting down. I'm not sure that is the truth or myth, but I find it very cool standing down and work, guys. That's just my opinion, and love this feature where I can adjust the height. And I opt for this is white color. They have a few colors. This is white color, and obviously my favorite is always white color, and just to match with the room design, and I wanted it to be white. And there are other brands, they do not offer white color, but Omnidesk has white color, so that's why I also opt for Omnidesk. And I just found out there are some very tiny scratches here. I do not know how I made it, but I could see these tiny scratches here. Just very minor, but overall it's still in very good condition, guys. And this table itself, I think it has 3 sizes. This is of the middle size. I forgot, is it called medium or large size? This is of the medium size. I think the length is about 150 or 160 centimeter. I'm not sure. I will put the length for you guys. This is of the middle size. I feel it is big enough for me for my workstation. And there is one size that is even larger than this. That is the bigger size. And there's one size that is smaller than this, maybe 120 centimeter. So I find that is too small. So that's why I opt for this middle. Not too small, not too big. It's just nice for me. And another feature that I like most is, of course, this feature, guys, where I can hide all the cables through this hole here, right? So I can hide all the cables inside and cover it so that it will not be too messy and have a lot of cables flying around, laying around at the back of my laptop and my computer. So that's why I like this feature. But of course, I hope that this hole can be bigger, guys, because this is a rather small, so it's hard to really put the cables in. It's doable, but I prefer the holes to be bigger. If you all check out other brands, I have seen some brands, they are having this bigger hole somehow, but of course there's no installation service. And it's just my preference, because some people may prefer this size of hole, because too big the hole, maybe it will not make the table very neat. But to me, I just feel that it is bigger slightly, the hole would be better to put the cables in. That's just my personal preference. And you can see down here, all the cables are actually hiding down here, guys. See, there's this portion hiding here. All the cables is actually hidden inside, so you don't have all the cables laying around here, hanging around here, which is very untidy. So here there's this cable hiding here, and there are also a tray here for us to put the cables that went through the hole just now. So of course I should better tidy up here a little bit, guys. I feel it's still a little messy, but overall it's still acceptable. So there's this tray here for us to put the cables, and also the cables to adjust the height is all hidden here, so you don't see the cables overall here, which is good, right? And this table, guys, it is supposed to be able, if I remember correctly, it's supposed to be able to hold or to sustain the weight of, is it 110 or 100 up to 130 kg? I forgot. I tried to put the weight for you guys. That's why I was showing you guys just now how I managed to also sit. Obviously I am lesser than 100 kg obviously guys, but still I'm able to sit on this table and adjust the height. But it was a little bit scary, but just for the fun I just tried that for you guys. But it's not advisable to actually sit on this and adjust the height, but it's supposed to be very strong, very structured, very solid, and is able to sustain the weight that I just told you guys just now. So very heavy this table. If you want to move this table to elsewhere, it is quite challenging. You probably need a few people to be able to move this table. It is very heavy. And this is how I set up this table guys. I have my laptop here, I have my monitor here, and I have my candle here, and my plant, my lovely plant at the side, some greens. And I love everything, the color coordination. I need to make it really following the design and color coordination. So every time when I sit on this table, I will feel very happy, very lively, and I feel like I want to work because of all this arrangement, the color coordination. I feel very happy looking at them. And this is supposed to be a digital clock here. Digital clock over here, and this is just some light things, and my favorite mug which I just got just to match with the design guys, my calendar, and also this mat matching again with this keyboard, this mouse, this pen. And hope you guys won't think like it's a little bit crazy. I always enjoy arranging stuff, getting stuff, matching them together, arranging them such that it is like it's a theme here that is matching with my overall master bedroom theme. If you watch my previous video, you would have seen that my overall master bedroom, the theme is more to this earth tone mixed with white. So now that I'm putting this table here next to my master bedroom, I wish to have the similar theme so that it can blend well with my overall master bedroom design. So I find it very calm, very peaceful, very positive, and very lively, and very happy looking at this setup guys. So this is my corner, this is my home office corner guys, this table. And I really enjoy this table, especially when it has the option to just go up, and you can also have your conference call while you're standing. Isn't it cool guys? I think that's about it guys. I definitely do not regret getting this table. It's just that maybe in future I may shifting this table to another place. I'm still thinking about it, but right now it's here at this corner for now. Maybe next year I'll be shifting this table. Love this setup so far, as well as the chair together. That is my new home office setup. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you guys like this sharing, and do comment down below if you have any question. I will try to answer. Do share with me your own, if you have your own office setup, and any interesting gadgets, do share that with me. I love to also hear from you guys. Okay, that's about it guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Bye guys!